Are you an affiliate marketer? Do you want to generate more sales of your affiliate products? Well, in this video, I have 20 creative ideas for you on how you can use Facebook Live for you to generate more sales using affiliate products. My name is Siddharth Rajshekhar. I've been in this affiliate game for the last 3 years, and I've been on the leaderboards of many top affiliate programs because I've been able to use videos to really sell products in a more efficient way, not by just spamming links all over the place, but really creating a bond with my audience and getting them to buy because they find that particular product useful for them. So if you want the formula, stay till the end of this video, and if you stay till the end, I have 2 gifts for you. So stay right till the end. Okay, so let's get started. We have 20 different Facebook Live ideas which I'm going to be giving you, and I hope you have your notepads, pens and papers ready. And we're going to be going through them like super fast, like a crash course I'm going to give you right now. Okay, first idea is you can do a Q&A session on any topic, or even if it's a product based. So for example, if you're an affiliate of ClickFunnels, you can do a Q&A session to your audience just talking about ClickFunnels. So they can ask you any questions related to that particular topic or that particular product, the affiliate product, and you can answer questions and you can sell your affiliate program through that. 2 is you can teach viewers how to do something. So if I was again promoting ClickFunnels, I would show people how to build a webinar funnel using ClickFunnels, and they would learn that, and through that video I would say, okay, hey, go and click this link and get started with ClickFunnels. That's one more way you can promote your affiliate program. Number 3 is you can stream an exclusive interview. So I've done these interviews before. I've interviewed affiliate marketers and I've put them on my podcast. Now you can even do that on Facebook Live, and I'll share with you a couple of tools that I use where you can even do interviews with people. So stream an interview with an expert and then sell the affiliate programs. Maybe you can even interview the product creator. If somebody's created a product and if you want to affiliate their product, you can interview them. Number 4 is you can announce a new product. And there's a new product launch happening. You want to really give people a perspective of what's coming up. Facebook Live will be very good for that. Number 5 is you can explain and display an actual product. So what I mean by this is, let's say you're promoting a physical product. Maybe you're promoting some nutritional products. You can hold that product in your hand and you can display that particular product and talk about it. Okay, I know many of my friends in my network are into Herbalife or Amway. They're promoting nutritional products. It's like network marketing, but they're actually selling somebody else's product. So you can explain and display the product and the use and the usefulness of it, the benefits of it, and then give your link below for them to get started, or a contact number. Number 6 is you can give a live tour. So this would work really well if you are, maybe at an event and you want to give a live tour of what's the experience of the event like. Maybe you're attending an affiliate world event in some different part of the world. You can do that. I've also done this when I attend events abroad. I just give a tour of what the experience is. Okay. Number 7 is you can create a recurring show. Maybe you come up with a weekly show every Saturday morning, affiliate mastermind, masterclass, or something like that. Come up with some really cool show, and you can create a recurring show where people look forward to it every single week. Okay. I have 2 shows. I do not do it on Facebook Live, but I do it through webinars. One is on how to build influence. So if you go check out sids.co/influence, that's my weekly show. And then I also have how to make $1,000 a week through affiliate marketing. That's my every Thursday night show. And that's you can go to sids.co/lifestyle to hop into my show and see. So you can create a recurring show for yourself, even on Facebook Live, for you to build that kind of an audience. Number 8 is you can announce breaking news. Something news has been launched in the industry, in the particular product. You can announce news because this is called news jacking. Something that's already trending. People, they want to know more about it. And if you announce it yourself, you're the first to announce it. Maybe now the iPhone, as I was recording this video, the iPhone XS just launched. And if you do a breaking news about if you got the first model of iPhone XS and talk about its features, and then you say click on the link below and buy, and if it's your Amazon affiliate link, yeah, you can make some commissions. Number 9, film an unedited version of your videos. Okay, so you may be doing professional videos with a professional videographer. If you're doing that, you can have somebody else just take unedited versions of that. And you can just go on Facebook Live and say, okay, we are just going to shoot this video right now, and more to give a feel of how it is, not the actual professional video, but how it is behind the scenes. Number 10 is you can show off your brand personality. Okay, what I mean by this is, if you see this here, 80% of people would rather watch a video from a brand than read a blog. And 82% prefer live video from a brand than social posts. So if you have your own brand, let's say you're not streaming as yourself as a person, you have a brand where you're selling your different affiliate programs under that particular brand, you can show off your brand personality, okay, through the fan page. Number 11 is you can broadcast live events. Okay, so if you're going to be in a live event, like, this guy is on a live event here, Michigan training, if you're doing any kind of fitness program or you're a nutrition specialist, you're doing some running and all of that, stream those live events. And through those live events on Facebook Live, people will get to know more about you and what you do. And that's where you can sell your affiliate programs. Number 12 is you can answer blog comments. So if you have a blog of your own as an affiliate marketer, like Darren Rose does this from ProBlogger, he looks at all the comments that people are asking on his blog and he answers all of them through Facebook Live. That's also a pretty cool idea, right? Number 13 is you can offer content to a private group. Like if you have your own inner circle group, like I have my inner circle group of coaching group, and I stream live only into those members, only into that particular Facebook group. And that way you can give premium content or privileged content or exclusive content only to paid members or group members, community members. Number 14th idea is you can record an experiment in real time. So maybe you want to do an experiment like real time. You go on Facebook Live and say, I'm going to do this. I'm going to set up my funnels and I'm going to be driving traffic to it right now. And then you're going to see how it works. So you can actually demonstrate that whole thing as a live experiment and see, and this will gain a lot of traction. Number 15 is you can give behind the scenes details of something new that is coming up. Okay, maybe it's a new product launch. Maybe you just got the initial sneak peek of a particular software that is just launching. Give the behind the scenes details. It is more for building a curiosity and get a pulse of your audience of who's ready to buy. Number 16 is you can run a weekly/monthly contest. Like every week I do a few book giveaways. So if I go on Facebook Live, I give some value, some information. I tell those of you who share this and who really comment on this post, I will ship you a book. You can do things like that. Okay. So you can create a winner. So for example, you can announce a winner and you can, as simple as sending them an Amazon book for like $10. Okay, it's not going to be much. 17th idea is you can host a special guest. So if you are having your own audience, you're building your audience, you can get them on Facebook Live and host a special guest where you can interview them. This is slightly different from a regular interview. This is where one-off, you can bring on a celebrity guest or somebody who's having a large influence. That way you can grow your visibility as well. Number 18 is you can deliver your own strategies and motivation. Okay, this is something which I do a lot. What I'm doing right now, though this is not a Facebook Live, this is a recorded video, still I'm giving you some very clear strategies and motivation. Number 19 is you can offer live critiques and teardowns. Like for example, you're promoting an affiliate product and you want to do like a live critique of it, the actual tools and the different features of it, and tear it down into bits and pieces so that your audience, they know exactly what they're going to get if they buy that particular product. Yeah. And finally, number 20 is AMA nights. You can do like ask me anything nights. Just hop into Facebook Live. I do this quite a bit. And I ask people, okay, you can ask me anything for the next 20 minutes. I'm hanging around over here. And that way you can create more engagement. Okay. So here are 20 different ideas. And I want to give you guys these ideas if you stay till the end. Okay. You're watching this video right now. Let me just make all of this. I'll just fold all these notes. Okay. So I'm going to give you this mind map. So what softwares and tools that you can use. Okay. I'm talking more in terms of the basics of what you can do. I don't want you to really go super investing into high expensive gear. Basic equipment for you to make things work, because I'm not like super high tech in my gear at home. I just have a good like a webcam. I'm using an Apple headset and that's it. Okay, I'm using a MacBook Pro. So the gear that you would need is you would need a good webcam. I would recommend a Logitech C920. There's also C932. Very, very good quality webcam, even up to 4K. It goes 1080p is what you can go with. Okay, even nowadays your smartphone cameras are getting much better by the day. Pick up a selfie stick. Microphone, I would say go with an Apple headset. It's decent. You're listening to an Apple headset, so the quality is good. Use a Rode SmartLav if you want. A Rode SmartLav is a very good microphone, lapel microphone that you can use on your smartphone, on your laptops. It has noise cancellation, all that stuff. Very good clarity audio. And as far as softwares are concerned, for Facebook Live specifically, you can check out Ecamm Live for Mac. If you're a Mac user, you can check out BeLive.tv. This is a web-based platform for any PC or Mac users. And you can also use Zoom webinars for your for streaming your live sessions. I'm going to give you like 5 steps on how you can generate more sales through this. Okay. Step number 1 is educate your audience. Education is the best thing to do first. Now, right now I'm educating you, and if you really find value in this, then you're going to be coming into the next level, which is, you're going to enter my inner circle tribe. So even when you're selling affiliate programs, just don't go there and spam your links all over the place. Educate your audience, add value, grow your tribe, generate leads, and then you get them to the third stage is convert. Offer the right solutions to that right audience. Okay, and when you do that, then you move to stage number 4 is then you can create MSI, or multiple streams of income, and all related products and services, not services, related affiliate programs that will be useful to this audience. And finally, number 5 is that you can nurture your tribe and add more value on a continual basis. Okay, so these are the steps on how you can generate sales, generate more repeat sales, and create multiple streams of income for yourself. So if you found this useful, I would like you to hit the share button right now. Hit the share button right now, because when you share this video right now, it can help somebody else. Some other affiliate marketers who are struggling, who are out of ideas, and by you just sharing these 20 ideas with them, they can expand their business, and you can get some positive digital karmic points. Okay, so here are some free gifts for you. Gift number 1 is I want to give you my Freedom Business Blueprint. It's a completely free course if you are really serious to get into the game of affiliate marketing and to create results through affiliate marketing. Okay, so the Freedom Business Blueprint, you can go by going to this link, asksidz.com, and type the word freedom, ASKSIDZ.com, and type the word freedom. To get a copy of this mind map, I would like you to go to asksidz.com. It's my Facebook Messenger, and just type the word FBAFF, Facebook affiliate. Okay, so FBAFF. You're going to get a copy of this mind map, no spaces in between. Okay, just FBAFF. You'll get a beautiful copy of this mind map, which you can revise and use for yourself. Okay, so once again, I just want to tell you guys that you can do this as an affiliate. If you're struggling, if you're not getting results, pick up even 1 or 2 of these ideas and start to see your business grow. So I'll catch you inside the learning area if you've gone to my blueprint, and share this video right now. Share this right now. All the best.